Isn't it beautiful? इसे देखकर मुझे एक पोइम याद आ गई। तितली उड़ी बस पे चढ़ी, ड्राइवर ने कहा आजा मेरे पास। तितली बोली हट बदमाश, तितली बोली हट बदमाश। Let's see what we need for today's class. Quilling strips, 3mm strips है, needles, tweezers, glue. Let's get started. First we will start with wings. For this I am taking half strip of 3mm. Now time to roll, roll, roll. Apply little glue. Just like I prepare 2 orange for this, I am taking 1/4 of strip. Same, roll, 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 roll. For this, we just need 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3. We are going to apply little glue and this. For this, I created 4 pieces.
I'm taking half strip of orange. See. I'm just going to सेम ब्लू स्ट्रिप इसके आसपास रोल करेंगे, सेम उसी तरीके से। And for this, I'm taking 1/4 of strip.
But again I am taking 1/4 strip. This is 1/4, half. This is again 3/4 and full. Make a tight coil. For eyes, I am going to take 1/8 strip of brown color. Sorry. One-fourth strip of white color.